Good afternoon, it's Tom Wheels here from One Marine, and in this video this afternoon we're going to give you a quick look around this lovely Princess 54. I'm sorry about the weather, it is raining on the English Riviera, but let's jump on board and have a look. So this has just come back into the water. She's been out the water for the last week or so having anti-fouling done, but I won't spend too much time on the outside because of the weather, but you can see she's in really good condition overall. She really is. She's not yet been polished for the season, but she's got fresh anti-fouling, all the anodes have been done, that type of thing. So she's a really good, clean example. She went round to, I believe, Darthaven for the work, so that's the best place to go. So let's just jump on here. First thing you'll see here on the platform is this passerelle, and that's perfect for lifting a tender on and off. And then in that locker there, you've got a sort of wet locker. So if you've got any wetsuits or anything that's sort of wet that you want to put on the boat, you can lift this one up, and that goes in there, which is really good. Going in now to the aft cockpit, you'll see, sorry about again, the wet footprints, you'll see immediately this has got updated upholstery. So it looks really good with that updated upholstery, really helps to give that bit of contrast between the white and the actual seating fabric. I'll come back out here in a minute to do the engines and bits and pieces, but it gives you an idea. I mean, the owners of here have actually got a flight board there, so you can just get an idea of how much space there is in that aft cockpit. And it's great with this table, which is actually removable. You can sit there and easily dine or have drinks, morning coffee, whatever you want to do. Stepping into the saloon here, it really is just princess quality everywhere you look. The finish of the veneer work is absolutely spectacular, and it's in such good condition. The boat, as you can see here, has got a number of heaters on board throughout. The owners really take good care of his boat. It feels fresh, it smells great, and it feels like really good quality. You've got this huge seating area here on the starboard side. There's easily enough seating there for 4, 5, 6 people along there, and then you could easily then put those directors' chairs or a chair in front of that section there. The television has got rise and fall, but the owners have updated the television here with a much bigger unit, but it works really well. And then underneath here you've got some nice storage, you've got a fridge, and the boat's also fitted with air conditioning. So you can see here you've got the air conditioning controls and you've got your drinks cabinet there. Moving slightly further forward, you've got another seating area on the port side, which is really well positioned opposite the helm, great for those longer passages, and again you can sit a number of people on that. I don't know if you can make out in the video, but the leather is just in really good condition. It feels and looks really fresh. Certainly doesn't look like it's been overused. You've got the 2 helm seats here, which again are finished in leather. And if I just sit there at the helm, you've got a great position forward. You've got an electric window on the starboard side here. And you can see it's a miserable day here that's raining, but it's really warm, really cozy in here. So it's a great place to be. On the helm itself, you've got autopilot, you've got a Garmin GPS plotter, which is repeated up top with a bigger unit, and then you've got the Fruno radar. This boat's also got bow and stern thrusters, so you've got everything you need there, and then you've got your throttles down there. So a great helm, everything you need, and great visibility. And then what I like on this 54, you've got these lovely gentle steps down into the galley. You've got the leather-bound handle as you go down, and then you've got the Princess control panel there as you go down. So you can see how everything's broken down. You've got your domestic batteries here. So this is a 24-volt boat. So you've got 24-volt domestic, 24-volt engine batteries. And then you can see here your battery voltage coming in. So we've got 240 volts coming into the boat. And we're currently drawing, 10 amps there of power. So that will be battery charger, the heaters, the dehumidifier, etc. But really easy to understand, nicely laid out. In the galley itself, it's nicely lit because you've got all that natural light coming down from the windscreen there, and in the galley you've got everything you could possibly imagine. You've got lots of storage both below and above there, 4-ring hob, and then you've got this great, really nice size fridge in there, which is all lovely and clean and tidy as well. Just coming forward now into the forward cabin, so this is forward VIP, beautifully laid out, and as you can see, we haven't done anything to this boat. This is how we found it, and gives you an idea of just how the owners look after it. The veneer in here, the headlinings are all in brilliant condition. Just turn the lights on for you. And you've got a large hanging wardrobe space in there. This is an ensuite cabin, so you've got ensuite access into the back there, which also doubles up as your day heads. So you can see you've got 2 doors onto that. And I love on Princess the way they finished the floors. You've got a beautiful wood flooring, nice sized sink there with a toilet and a pull round shower. Starboard side, you've got a really nicely sized guest cabin, which is a twin berth arrangement. No ensuite, but plenty of room, and I can walk head height all the way back into this cabin. And again, if you just look at those linings, everywhere is really good. You've actually got, I think, the original bed covers here from Princess, which is really nice. Going down now into the master cabin, which is huge. So this is a 4-beam master cabin. You've got yet another heater in here, showing you how the owner's looking after this boat. And in this cabin, you've got such a great space. Get some more lights on for you. You've got the reading lights there behind the bed, and then you've got these beautiful port and starboard hull windows, letting all that natural light in. Again, you've got storage everywhere you look, underneath there in the vanity, and then you've got those low storage boxes that side as well. This, of course, being the master, is an ensuite cabin. So if I just dive in here, get the light on for you again, and you'll see here immediately this is a really nice sized cabin, ensuite, sorry, with another pull round shower and electric loo. You'll see another air conditioning controller just here. So like I said, the air conditioning is throughout. And I'll just take you back up into the saloon here and give you an idea of scale. You can really see now how much room there is up here. Those helm seats look fantastic, they really do. And look at that headlining, it's absolutely brilliant, really, really nice. And then looking back onto that seating section there, we looked at that earlier on, but it just gives you an idea of how much space there is. My colleague Nathan has just opened the engine hatch for you whilst we've been walking around the boat, and as you can see, you've got the Volvo D12s on here, and they're perfect combination for this boat. So they're the 715 versions, and they are in really nice condition. You've got another heater in there as well, giving you a bit of heat there. And then further aft, you've got this huge storage locker. So a great feature on the Princess often is that huge lazarette, giving you plenty of space. And then you can get everything in there, flight boards, pillows, cushions, whatever you need to. The door itself is a triple folding door, so that's folded back at the moment. I'm just going to brave it. I'm just going to slip my shoes back on. I'm just going to take you up top because it's easy to sort of forget the fact we've also, as well as all this area here, got a huge Flybridge. So if I just put my shoes back on while we do there, go back up here. Again, you'll see this horrible weather we've got today. But we've got this massive Flybridge. You've got a large wraparound seating section there, and then you've also got a sun pad here. So you've got additional storage under there. You've got some weights in there and more cushions. You've got a bimini top. You've got the open array scanner, which obviously spins round. But giving you an idea of scale and volume, this is a great summer boat. So much room on here. Not only have you got the Flybridge helm, you've also then got the forward sunbathing area if you want to use it, electric anchor winch, etc, etc. So you've got a full range of navigation suites. If you go to our website, www.onemarine.co.uk, you'll be able to see some stunning drone photography done on this boat with our friends at Parker Adams who we're working with on this listing. And it'll give you an idea of what it's like on a sunny day. But hopefully this video gives you just a quick look around and gives you an idea of just how lovely this condition is. We've got some great listings on our website, so please do head over to our website. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel while you're on here. We really appreciate all the latest viewings, our viewers, and comments and likes, so please be one of those and hit the button. We'll get another video out for you next Friday. It's a regular event. We're trying to get some interesting stuff for you, and hopefully this weather's going to improve in a minute. So yeah, please subscribe. This is over and out for a minute, and speak to you soon.